Hi there! It's Crafts O'Clock! Today, let's make 3-ingredient salt Play-Doh. What do you need? A tablespoon, 2 spoons of salt, 4 spoons of flour, and 2 spoons of warm water. Let's begin. Mix 2 spoons of warm water and 2 spoons of salt. Mix and dissolve the salt very well in the water. Now let's add the 4 spoons of flour. Continue mixing until you see the Play-Doh forming. As you mix, you might want to add more water or more flour until you get the right texture that you need. Have fun creating! You can put color on your dough by using food dye as an option.